Hello everyone. So today in this video we'll see the uses of logarithms in derivatives. In previous video we have done the exercise 5.5 question number 1 to 4. So in this video we'll see the question number 5 onwards. So the question number 5 is given that we have to find the derivative dy dx x plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube plus x plus 5 whole to the power 4. So like previous question we'll take y is equal to this function. So we'll use the logarithm. So taking logarithm on both sides, what will happen? Log y will be equal to, here product is there. So in case of product, when we take log, it becomes, by using the properties of logarithm, it becomes addition in between. Log m into log n, log m into n is equal to log m plus log n, and here power is also there, so power will come forward, so it will become 2 log x plus 3 plus 3 log x plus 4 plus 4 log x plus 5. Okay, so now we can use the derivative, we can find the, we will do the differentiation. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, what will become? If we take the derivative of that, so it will become 1 by y into dy dx is equal to, if you take the log of this one, so the derivation of this one, constant is there, so constant will remain, and the dx of log x is 1 by x, so it is 1 by x plus 3, and since it is x plus 3, so the derivation of x 3 is 1 only, so it will into 1 only, plus 3 into log x plus 4, so it will become again 1 by x plus 4 into 1 only, plus 4 into 1 by x plus 5 into derivative of x plus 5 is 1. So what will become now? So y will be shifted that side. Y means which one? The original function. What is given? So dy dx is equal to, dy dx is equal to, y means x plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 whole to the power 4 into this will become, so 2 by x plus 3, 2 by x plus 3 plus 3 by x plus 4 plus 4 by x plus 5. So this will become the derivation of the given function. Okay, so dy dx will be equal to that one. So like that we will see the next question. It is given that x plus 1 by x to the power x plus x to the power x plus 1 by x. So how we have to differentiate it? So here there are two terms. So we will take, let y is equal to u plus v. Okay, just like question number 3 or 4 we have done that way. So what will be dy dx? Dy dx will be du dx plus dv dx. So this implies dy dx will be equal to du dx plus dv dx. Okay, where u is which one? U is the first one and v will be the second one. Okay, so this we can give as number 1. So here therefore u is equal to x plus 1 by x whole to the power x. Now separately we will find out that this one, now here we will use the log so that we can do it easily because power is there. This one, so we will use logarithm to find the differentiation, means du dx. So what will be log of u? Log u will be equal to x log x plus 1 by x. So in this x plus 1 by x, we can make it as, we can join it together, so it will become x square plus 1 by x. So that log u by v, we can write it as log u minus log v, like that. So it can be written as, this can be written as x into log of if we do the LCM, it is x square plus 1 by x. So it can be written as this is equal to x log x square plus 1 minus log x. Okay. Now we can find the differentiation of that. So we will do the differentiation of this one. What will be differentiating this? What will become? This implies 1 by u into du dx will become is equal to. Now here look at that. Here it is x into this one, because here 2 or x log of x square plus 1 minus x log x. That also we can do it. So anyway we will do. So this is 2 product. We will use the product one. So what will become? So it will become x into log of this one means 1 by x square plus 1 into the dx of x square plus 1 means 2x plus log of x square plus 1 log of x square plus 1 into the dx of x means it will become 1. So this is the first part. Now next this one x log x. So minus x into log x means x into the dx of log x will become 1 by x, and then minus, because here minus is there, so it will become minus log x into the dx of x. So minus log x. So this will become the differentiation of that. Now u we have to shift, because du dx we have to find. So du dx means u into that one. So this implies du dx is equal to u means which one? X plus 1 upon x to the power x plus 1 upon x to the power x into what will become this one? 2x into x means 2x square. So it is 2x square by x square plus 1 plus log of x square plus 1 minus 1 minus log x. So this will become the du dx. So same way we will find what is b. B is x to the power x plus 1 upon x. So we will do like that. B is equal to x to the power x plus 1 upon x. So similarly here also we will take logarithm. So what will become? Log b is equal to x plus 1 upon x log of x. Okay. So now here again we have to do the differentiation just like previous one. So what will become differentiation? 1 by b into dv dx will be equal to, here also 2 terms are there, we will do like that. So it will become x plus 1 upon x into dx of log x means 1 by x plus log x into x, dx of x is 1 and plus dx of 1 by x. Dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Okay, so it is minus 1 by x square. Okay, so what will be dv dx? This implies dv dx will be equal to b. So b means which one? X to the power x plus 1 upon x into what is here now? This one it is. If we take LCM, then it will become x square plus 1 by x, and here x. So it is x. You can write like that way also. See, x into 1 by x means 1 plus 1 by x square, 1 by x square plus log x. Here also can do x square minus 1 by x square into log x. X square minus 1 by x square into log x. So now what will be dy dx is equal to dy dx will be equal to du dx. Therefore 1 implies we can write. Therefore dy dx will be equal to du dx plus dv dx. So du dx is how much? Du dx is x plus 1 upon x whole to the power x into 2x square by x square plus 1 plus log of x square plus 1 minus log x minus log x minus 1 minus log x minus 1. So this will become the du dx plus dv dx. So plus dv dx is x to the power x plus 1 upon x into what will be that? 1 plus 1 by x square plus x square minus 1 by x square log x. This will become the derivative of the given function. Okay? So like that you can try the other equations. Number 7. You will see number 7. Equation number 7, what is given? It is log x to the power x plus x to the power log x. So here, what is power here? It has come in the base, and what is base? It has gone to the power like that. All type of equations. So this type of equations, wherever it is, there are two terms. We'll use that y is equal to u plus b. So that dy dx will be equal to du dx plus dv dx. So where u will be equal to which one? U is, therefore u is equal to log x to the power x. So now here we will use, here x is there, here also r is there. So what will we use? We will use log. So log u, this implies log of u will be equal to x log of log x. Okay. So x log of log x. This is here we are using logarithm. So log of log x. Okay. Now we will do the differentiation. Differentiating both sides. What will happen? 1 by u into du dx. Now here two terms are there, so we will use that product rule. So x into dx of log x. So dx of log x is 1 by x. So this one we are thinking as x. So it is 1 by log x. And since this is not actual x, so differentiation of log x, so it is 1 by x. Okay? Plus log of log x. Okay? Into dx of x means 1. So what will happen? X will get cancelled. So it is 1 by log x plus log of log x. Okay? So what will be du dx? What will be du dx? Therefore du dx is equal to u will be multiplied. So u is what? Log x to the power x into 1 by log x plus log of log x. This is du dx. Okay. Now what is b? B is x to the power log x. B is equal to x to the power log x. Okay. So what will happen? Log b is equal to, this implies log b is equal to log x into log x. Why? Because log x, it was in power, it has come to the here, power has come in that product, and log of x. Okay. So log x into log x whole square also can be written. Okay. So now you can do differentiation. Okay. So what will happen? This can be written as log x whole square. Log x whole square. So that directly differentiation will be easier. So this implies differentiating both sides. So it will become 1 by b into dv dx is equal to, now look at that here, log x square means x square term, like that x square means 2x, so 2 log x into, since it is log x, differentiation of log x is 1 by x, so 2 by x log x. So what will be dv dx? V will be multiplied, so dv dx will be equal to, V means which one? V is x to the power log x into 2 by x log x, that is dv dx. Now what will be dy dx is equal to, therefore 1 implies dy dx is equal to du dx, we have got du dx and dv dx, so du dx plus dv dx, so it will become log x to the power x into 1 by log x plus log of log x. This is du dx plus dv dx is x to the power log x, so that you can write it here, x to the power log x plus 2 by x log of x. So that will become the derivation of the log x to the power x plus x to the power log x. So like that, question number, next question number 8 also you can do, question number 9 also you can do. Okay, number 10 I can show in that. Alright, so question number 10 will go, rest 2 questions. So in question number 10 it is given x to the power x plus x plus x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. So here also 2 terms are there, we will do that y is equal to u plus b. So dy dx will be equal to du dx plus dv dx. So now what will be u? U will be x to the power x plus x. So now what we have to do? The power is there, so we will use logarithm. So log of u will be equal to x plus x log of x plus x into log of x. Now we will do the differentiation. Okay. So in differentiation here x is there, cos x is there, and log x is there. Okay. So no problem. We will do what will be that differentiation, 1 by u into du dx is equal to, so we will consider that this one is one term, this is another term, so that way you can do it. So x cos x into dx of log x is 1 by x plus log x into here x cos x. So that one we will do with product rule in that, because here 2 terms x and cos x is there. So log x into ddx of x cos x. So what will become ddx of x cos x means, if we do first one differentiation, then it is 1, so it will only cos x, and next will be second one differentiation, so ddx of cos x is minus sin x, so minus x sin x, cos x minus x sin x. So what will be du dx now? Du dx u into this one. Here x and 1 by x can get cancelled, so it is only cos x plus log of that. Okay. So what will be du dx? Therefore du dx is equal to u is x to the power x cos x into cos x plus log x into cos x minus x sin x. cos x minus x sin x. So this is du dx, and then what is b? B is x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. B is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. Now here whether it is required to take log, because here u by b, no need of taking log. We have to find, our purpose is to find db dx. So here directly differentiation we can do u by b method. So what will be db dx? Differentiating with respect to x. U by b. So what is u by b? Downside will be b square. So x square minus 1 whole square. And upside is b into du dx. So b means x square minus 1 into du dx. X square plus 1 differentiation is only 2x minus u into dv dx. U means x square plus 1 into dv dx. X square minus 1 means only 2x. Okay? Got the point? So what will become? It is little bit simplification, you can do it. So what will become? This is x square minus 1 whole square, and here what will become? 2x cube and minus 2x cube will get cancelled. Minus 2x minus 2x, so minus 4x. So minus 4x by x square minus 1 whole square. That will remain the dv dx. So now what will be dy dx is equal to? Therefore 1 implies dy dx is equal to dy dx is equal to du dx plus dv dx. So it is x to the power x cos x into cos x plus log of cos x minus x sin x plus means here it will become minus 4x by x square minus 1 whole square. That will become the differentiation. Okay? So like that. Now next question number 11 we will see. So in question number 11 it is given x cos x to the power x plus x sin x to the power 1 upon x. So here also two terms are there. We will use that y is equal to u plus b. So dy dx will be equal to du dx plus dv dx. So what is u? U is x cos x to the power x. So now here, since power is there, here also functions are there. So what we have to do? We have to take log. So log of u is equal to x into log of x cos x. So here also again product terms are there. So it can become log x plus log cos x. Okay? Alright? So now we can do the differentiation. We will do the differentiation. So differentiating both sides, what we will get? 1 by u du dx is equal to. Now here differentiation x into this one, or this is one term, this is another term, we can take it that way also. So x into d dx of log x means 1 by x plus log cos x. So it is, we will think that it is just x and we will do, so it is 1 by cos x, and since it is not cos x, so what we have to do? D dx of cos x, so it is minus sin x. Okay, plus one part we have done, plus this one into d dx of x. So d dx of x is 1, so only it will remain that one, log x plus log cos x. Okay, so now we have to look at that x into 1 by x, it can be written as x for that multiplication it will become 1 minus sin x by cos x can be written as 10x, so x 10x plus log x plus log cos x. So this is 1 by u into du dx. So what will be only du dx? U into this one. Therefore du dx is equal to, what this implies, du dx is equal to u. U means x cos x to the power x into 1 minus x 10x plus log x plus log cos x. This is du dx. And then what is v? V is x sin x to the power 1 upon x. V is equal to, and v is equal to x sin x to the power 1 upon x. So here again we have to do like that way by using the logarithmic function. So log v will be equal to, log of v is equal to 1 upon x into log of x sin x. So it can be written as log of x plus log of sin x. Log sin x. Okay. So now we have to do the differentiation you can do. So if we do the differentiation, differentiating both sides, 1 by v into dv dx will be equal to this one into differentiation of that, we will do that just like previous one. So 1 by x into dx of log x is 1 upon x plus log sin x, it can be written as 1 by sin x into dx of sin x is cos x plus this one into dx of 1 upon x. Dx of 1 upon x is minus 1 by x square. So it can be written as minus 1 by x square into, this is same, log x plus log sin x. Okay. Now what will be dv dx? D will be multiplied. dv dx is equal to v. V means x sin x to the power 1 by x into, now we are, these two we can multiply. So what will become? It is 1 by x square plus cos x by sin x is cot x. So cot x by x, cot x by x, okay, minus 1 by x square into log x plus log sin x. So this is dv dx. Now du dx we have found out, dv dx also we have found out. So what will be dy dx? We will put in this equation number 1. So therefore 1 implies therefore 1 implies dy dx is equal to du dx. So what is that du dx? X cos x to the power x into 1 minus x 10x plus log x plus log cos x. This is du dx plus dv dx is the same, plus x sin x to the power 1 upon x into 1 by x square plus cot x by x, cot x by x minus 1 by x square into log x plus log sin x. So this will be the differentiation of x cos x to the power x plus x sin x to the power 1 upon x. So this type of questions will be of this way you have to do. I hope you have understood. So try like that some more questions. You have understood, I hope. So if you have learned something from this video, don't try to forget to press the like button. Thank you.